Tonight we're going to make a delicious cranberry orange bread. It's a quick bread, and it is quick to make. And if you hang around a few minutes, I'll show you how it's done. Okay, we start with a cup and a half of flour. To that cup and a half of flour, we're going to add 1 cup of granulated sugar. We're going to add a teaspoon of baking soda. We're going to add 2 teaspoons of orange zest. Very fresh, so it's a little bit sticky. And we're going to add, actually I think we're going to wait on that one. And in another bowl, we're going to add 2 eggs. Three-quarters of a cup of buttermilk. It's actually buttermilk substitute. We're going to add a teaspoon of vanilla extract and a tablespoon of orange juice. And then we mix this until it's smooth. Then we add that to our dry mix. And we just mix it until it's combined. We don't want to overmix it. And I actually don't even mix it until it's all that smooth or well combined, because I still have cranberries to dump in here. This is a cup of cranberries, which I coarsely chopped. So we'll mix those in until they're evenly distributed. I neglected to put the half a cup of melted butter in. I will do that now. Probably would have been better to add this with the liquids. And hopefully I haven't now overmixed it. Now we pour that into the greased and floured baking pan. And we put it in the oven for 70 minutes. Okay, our bread is out of the oven. It has been uh, just over a half hour since it came out of the oven. It's looking pretty good. I can't wait to taste it, but now we have to make the glaze and put the glaze on it. Now what we have to make the glaze out of is a cup of powdered sugar and a tablespoon and a half of orange juice, and also a teaspoon of orange zest is in this little tiny cup. So we're going to dump it in our sugar, and then we're just going to mix it, and it will make our glaze. And it's pretty stiff, so I might need to get a little more orange juice. And it's looking like it needs a little bit more orange juice. That's about another teaspoon. And we just stir it until it's thoroughly mixed up, nice and smooth. And then what we're going to do is grab us a spoon, and we'll just drizzle the glaze onto the bread. I think I said earlier that I made this for Thanksgiving, and it actually surprised me that I thought it was good, because I'm not a big fan of cranberry sauce with orange juice in it. So I expected this to taste like that, but it doesn't. It's much, much better than that. And then we just let this set for 15 or 20 minutes while it hardens up, and then I can cover it up and call it done. That's it. And after it's all done and this is hardened up, and probably tomorrow morning, I'll cut into this and I'll show you what it looks like and tell you what it tastes like. I'll see you then. It's morning. It's time to take a taste of this orange cranberry bread and see what we've got. So I'll cut a slice off the end here. And show you this beautiful bread. And give it a taste. Orange flavored, the glaze is delicious. You might want to try this one. And while you're at it, you might want to watch this video.